From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, the universe hums with vibrations. These vibrations are not just random movements. They describe the fundamental rhythms that govern the very fabric of reality. Every particle, every star, every planet, and every living being is part of this. Everything is in motion, oscillating and pulsing. The tuning fork, when struck, vibrates and produces a sound that resonates through the air, much like how our own vibrations resonate through the universe. These oscillations are the heartbeat of existence, the pulse that connects all things. This fundamental truth extends to us, to the very core of our being. Our bodies are not just flesh and bone, they are dynamic systems of energy, of vibrations, of frequencies. The fundamental energy waves that flow through us are the same waves that flow through the stars and the galaxies. Our bodies, our minds, even our emotions are all expressions of this universal energy. The slow, rhythmic beating of our hearts, our very breath is a testament to this dance, a reminder of our connection to the greater whole. We often think of ourselves as solid beings, separate from the world around us. Yet this perception is an illusion. In reality, we are deeply interconnected with everything. The air we breathe, the ground we walk on, the people we meet, all are part of the same vibrating web of life. But at the most fundamental level, we are composed of vibrating waves of oscillating energy, constantly interacting with the energy fields that permeate reality. These waves are in a state of perpetual motion, dancing to the rhythm of the universe. The stars above and the cells within us are all part of this. Our senses, our thoughts, our very consciousness arise from this intricate interplay of vibrations. Neurons in our brain fire in rhythmic patterns, creating electromagnetic and geometric waveforms. Each thought, each emotion, is a vibration that shapes reality. Imagine a pebble dropped into a still pond. The impact creates ripples that spread outward, a simple yet profound demonstration of how energy moves through a medium. Ripples spread outward, carrying the energy of the impact across the water's surface. This is a perfect metaphor for how our own energy affects the world around us. Each action, each thought, sends out ripples that subtly influence the fabric of existence. Similarly, our state of being, which include our brain state and actions, create ripples of energy that extend far beyond the confines of our physical bodies. These ripples interact with the energy fields that are around us, creating a network of influence and resonance. This is the essence of vibration and resonance in the context of the human experience. We are constantly in a state of interaction, our frequencies mingling with those of others, creating a shared experience. We are not separate islands, but rather interconnected nodes in a vast web of energy. Each of us is a point in this network, connected to every other point by the threads of vibration and resonance. We are constantly transmitting and receiving vibrations, shaping and being shaped by the world around us. This continuous exchange of energy is what makes us part of the universe, a never-ending creation and connection. The human brain is the most complex structure known to humankind. It is a marvel of biology, a labyrinth of cells and connections that has fascinated scientists for centuries. Billions of neurons, interconnected by trillions of synapses, create a network of unimaginable complexity. Each neuron can form thousands of synaptic connections, making the brain's network more intricate than the most advanced supercomputers. This web of neural pathways serves as the conductor of our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Every thought we have, every emotion we feel, and every action we take is orchestrated by this vast network. But the brain is not merely a biological computer processing information through electrical impulses. It is a dynamic, living organ that adapts and changes in response to our experiences and environment. It is also a powerful generator of electromagnetic fields. These fields are not just byproducts of brain activity. They play a crucial role in how our brain functions and communicates with the rest of our body. These fields, generated by the synchronized activity of billions of neurons, extend beyond the skull, creating an aura of electromagnetic energy around our heads. The pulsing beats of our heart creates one around our bodies. This electromagnetic aura is a testament to the brain's and body's incredible power and complexity. Imagine that each electrical impulse in the body is like a part or beam in a radio tower. Just as the structure and frequency of the tower dictate how the tower receives and transmits its broadcast, each neuron in the brain contributes to the overall function of the brain. The individual parts built together create a functional whole. In the same way, the electrical activity of individual neurons combines to create a structure and function of brain waves. Each frequency band of brain waves is associated with different states of consciousness. For example, alpha waves are linked to relaxation, while beta waves are associated with active thinking and problem solving. These brain waves, in turn, interact with the electromagnetic fields around us, influencing and being influenced by the energy of our environment. This interaction is a continuous, dynamic process that shapes our mental and emotional states. This dynamic interplay between our internal and external worlds shapes our perception of reality. Our brain is not just an organ. It is deeply connected to the world around us, constantly adapting and responding to external stimuli. This connection is what allows us to experience the richness and complexity of life. Our thoughts are not merely abstract entities confined within the walls of our heads. They are dynamic, living energies that extend beyond our physical bodies. They possess a tangible energy, capable of influencing the world around us. This energy is not just a metaphorical concept, but a measurable phenomenon that science is beginning to understand. Every thought, every emotion, generates a unique electromagnetic signature, radiating outward like ripples on a pond. These ripples can affect not only our immediate environment, but also reach far beyond, influencing people and events at a distance. Imagine a radio antenna transmitting signals into the air. Just as a radio antenna sends out waves that can be picked up by receivers miles away, our brains emit waves that can be detected by others. These signals, invisible to the naked eye, carry information across vast distances. They travel through the ether, connecting us in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. Similarly, our brains act as antennae, which are transmitters broadcasting our thoughts and emotions into the world around us. This broadcast is continuous, whether we are aware of it or not. These thought-generated electromagnetic fields interact with the energy fields of others, creating a subtle web of interconnectedness. This web is a complex network of information exchanges, constantly in flux. We are constantly transmitting and receiving information on an unconscious level, influencing and being influenced by the thoughts and emotions of those around us. This exchange happens in real time, creating a dynamic interplay. This concept may seem far-fetched, but consider the power of collective consciousness. When people come together with a shared intention, their combined energy can create a powerful force. Large groups of people, united by a common purpose or emotion, can generate powerful energy fields capable of influencing events on a global scale. This phenomenon is not just theoretical. It has been observed in various contexts, from social movements to global meditations. Scientists are now using advanced technology to measure these brainwaves and understand their impact. The data collected is revealing fascinating insights into how our thoughts and emotions shape our reality. As we continue to explore this frontier, we are beginning to see the profound implications of our interconnectedness. Our thoughts are not standalone things inside our brains. They are part of a vast, intricate tapestry that binds us all together. By becoming more aware of this connection, we can harness the power of our thoughts to create positive change. We can learn to tune our mental frequencies to resonate with the world around us, fostering harmony and understanding. The brain, as a transmitter of energy, is not just a scientific curiosity. It is a key to unlocking a more connected and compassionate world. By understanding and embracing this concept, we can work together to build a better future for all.